Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by to hang with me. In today's video, I will be deep cleaning our master bathroom. I hope you gain tons of cleaning motivation, and if this is your thing, I would love it if you leave a like and a comment. I love connecting with you guys. And if you are new here and enjoy my energy, I wish you would consider subscribing if you'd like, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of my future uploads. I'm starting off by decluttering everything from my bathroom vanity and spraying it with a disinfecting all-purpose cleaner before wiping it down. Our vanity lights had a little dust and cobwebs on it, so I used my Dyson to quickly remove it. I had to later wipe them with a wet cloth to remove the excess buildup. To deep clean the jets of the jetted tub by spraying each jet with the last bit of my scrubbing bubbles and allowing it to sit before I actually start the process of cleaning the tub. So before I do that, I'm going to remove the rug in front of the tub and give my standing shower caddy a good cleanse. Since I already sprayed the jets with scrubbing bubbles, I'll be using products I already have on hand to give the jets a thorough cleaning by using a half a cup of bleach and a small amount of Dawn dish detergent, and fill the tub up just enough to cover each jet. While I'm waiting on the tub to fill with water, I'm using these foaming Bath Magic erasers to get started on cleaning the shower. It helps break up grime and soap scum. When I used the magic eraser on the outer base of the shower door, I was amazed and disgusted at the same time. You'll see my disgust shortly in the video. It is time to start the jets. I will leave it running for about 10 to 15 minutes just to allow it to clean itself. See, this is where I was so grossed out, but I was amazed at the same time at all of the nastiness that this magic eraser removed from our shower door, well, the base of our shower door. But I decided to go ahead and use another one to see how much more gross stuff comes off. After turning off the jets, you can see that there are a few floating nasties in the tub, so while the tub drains, I'm moving on to the toilet, which I hate to clean, but I have to do it so often now because my little man uses our bathroom 95% of the times to go potty. Blueface and bustin' on it. I'm a little shocked that it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's still kind of gross knowing the jets could be possibly releasing nasty stuff into my bath water from a previous bath. I think I would be investing in an actual jet cleaning product in order to see how much more gross stuff comes from here. So that is it for today. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from this video. Please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and say hi. I would love to talk to you guys. I hope you all are doing amazing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.